Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to work on these monsters. As you can see, they are outrageous and they're just a big no-no. So grab anything long that you can find. You're just going to need it to measure from your nose up to your brows to see where everything should line up at. Grab anything to mark your face with, and this is where your brows should start. This is where your brows should arch, and this is where your brows should end. Do it to both sides. And now I like to get an eyeliner, color whatever I'm using to mark, and I like to measure the middle of my nose, connect those little lines. And now I mark it again to make sure my eyebrows will be even right there. I look crazy. So now tweeze away. Once they're all amazing, grab your favorite brow pencil. Mine is this one by It Cosmetics. It's called Brow Power. It's so easy to apply and so forgiving. I can hardly get my brows to ever be the same, but this makes it a lot easier to blend so they don't look so thick. With the little spoolie, just brush up. And you're going to want to do hair-like strokes. I know it looks like I'm going really hard, but I'm really not. This pencil is so forgiving. As you can see, I messed up quite a few times, but can't even notice. So do those hair-like strokes again. And then once you figure out how you want it, you could spoolie the front so it doesn't look too dark in the front. This has been a big problem of me trying to find a brow product that I liked because the front always looked caked on, and I don't like that. So I'm just going to go back in and fix up this side. And then once you figure out how you like it and the consistency you like, you're done. This is my favorite product. I love it.